everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey if you are new here. Today, my setup always looks different, but my setup looks a little bit different today. Basically, I have these beautiful floral trees in my yard that bloom these really pretty white flowers, and I really wanted to like film with them. So as soon as they bloomed, I was like, okay, spring, get ready with me. We're gonna film it outside. We're gonna have a photo shoot. It'll be great. These flowers, no joke, died in like 4 days. So I'm trying to compromise. I brought like my flower shrine back and I just put as many floral arrangements in the background as possible. And like I was hoping you guys could see like the greenery outside and know that it is spring. So today I'm going to be doing a spring get ready with me. I thought I'd just chit chat, update you on my life because I have some updates. And we're just gonna do like a spring natural makeup look. But I've been super inspired by Rosie Huntington Whiteley's like Rose Ink, like their Instagram and all the stuff that they post about makeup. So I kind of want to like mix some of that influence into this look and make it a little bit more spring, so it's not just like a simple no makeup look. So we're starting off with our clean face, of course, as always. So we always have to moisturize our face first. If you guys remember, not my last video, but the video before my last video, I did like an answering your skincare questions. I showed you guys all of the Sephora Collection's new skincare line, which is super natural and it's super affordable. It's all under $20. And I've been using this glow serum like a lot since that video, so I figured I'd just use it now. Also because I'm moving right now. Basically what that means is I'm living off bare necessities. So like my whole entire I'm living off of my travel makeup bag like for 2 months. I have one face lotion and the glow serum from Sephora Collection in this whole house. So this glow serum, super hydrating. It doesn't leave like an oily finish, which I like because most of these serums that I have like leave my skin feeling really oily. My skin's super hydrated before I put on my makeup, so that's exactly what I'm doing now because I have really dry skin and this helps me so much. So I'm just super happy to be partnered with Sephora, especially on a line like this that I love so much. I'll have links in the description for everything that I'm using as always. So now my skin has like a little bit of a glow and that will look great under my makeup. For my primer, this is a new product that I've been using. I think it's properly pronounced Ulla Henriksen, or is it Ulle Henriksen? I'm not sure. This is their banana face primer. I've actually been loving this face primer so much. It gives like a good glow, but it's not like a sparkly glow. It's like a nice sheeny pearly glow, which I really like, and it smells really good. Yeah, living off bare necessities is pretty hard for me. But yeah, and same thing with my clothes, you guys. I'm living off one clothing rack of clothes. That probably doesn't sound like a problem at all. Like that's such a normal thing. So I'm planning to do a spring lookbook for you guys, and I was like gonna style it, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I have no clothes. So I left a few like extra pieces out so that I could do a lookbook for you guys. But yeah, I'm living off bare necessities right now, and like we also don't have like a lot of furniture either. So like all my like go-to filming sets, like I don't have like all of my stuff anymore. Like even my mini couch that I always film on, we don't have that anymore. So like I'm kind of working out how I'm going to be filming for the next 2 months. Now onto the foundation. This is the Beauty Counter Dew Skin Moisturizing Coverage, which I had never even heard of this brand before, and they started sending me PR and I was loving all of their products, and this just sounded like something I would use, you know, Dew Skin Moisturizing, like yes, that's so me. Also I have this really cool vintage mirror I just got. But yeah, and I love it. It reminds me a lot of the Laura Mercier one that I have and that I love. Just the only difference I feel like is, one, the texture is different, like the coverage, like the formula is a little bit different, and I feel like this one doesn't have actual like glowy like highlighter stuff in it. It melts into your skin so nicely, and it makes your skin look perfect. So like I really like it. It's like a soft blur effect. Like, you know, on Instagram, like the face filter, this is what that is. So now I'm just gonna do a little bit of under eye concealer. I just kind of do 2 dots. That's it. That's all I've been doing. And then I've been blending in with my finger. Okay, so as you can tell, your girl's looking very pale lately. I haven't worn fake tanner in like 2 weeks, which probably isn't that much, but it's a lot for me, okay? So I'm gonna get a little bit of bronzer. I'm just gonna like take this medium to light color and just kind of like dust it. Not really like contour, but like really widely blend so I can just give some color back to my skin. Oh yeah, on the topic of moving. We're moving around the same time that it's my birthday, so we can't actually, like, as you guys may know, for the past like 3 years, we've traveled for my birthday, and I did like a big like weekly vlog of like me in some cool place that we traveled to. I don't think we're gonna be able to do that this year because we're moving. Next, we're gonna do blush. I've been a sucker for blush. I don't know if you guys remember, I have like actual videos on my channel of me saying, I don't wear blush, I've never worn blush, I don't like blush, and now I'm obsessed with it. This is the cream blush number 20 from Chanel. This is like, I know it's pricey, but it's worth it. Like, this is one of those things that I would definitely like save up your money and get this. But yeah, I just kind of like dab it around like that, and I bring it over my nose too. That's something I've been doing. It's like a nice little like, you've been sun-kissed little rosy cheeks look. I'm actually gonna not use highlighter. I'm gonna use this dewy stick. So it's basically like Vaseline. It just makes your skin look really glowy without actually having like, you know, color or glitter or anything. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, you just did a nice little skincare routine and your whole face is just still wet and glowing. The number one favorite thing, this is my MAC Prep and Prime, but this is the one with like the shimmer in it. I don't know if you guys can see. Hello? Spray that everywhere. I even sprayed on my chest too, just to get like a little shimmer if I have like an open shirt, you know? It just like leaves sparkles everywhere. Eyebrows are pretty simple. I'm just gonna brush them, and I may fill them in a little bit with this MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint. I have 2 really fun collaboration collections coming out soon. I'll be posting sneak peeks of them both soon, but they're both really exciting. They're both really exciting, and I'm really proud of both of them. Like, they're so cool. Like, I know you guys are gonna love them. Oh my gosh, you guys, you know what? I saw Endgame this weekend. Okay, I'm not gonna give any spoilers, but just an update that I saw it. So now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. So what I'm gonna do for the eyes, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use like a really pretty shimmery rosy color and just sort of like blend that all out on my lid and my crease. And then I'm gonna take a brown like eyeliner, like not liquid, but like a pencil, and just take like my angled brush and do like a very soft shadow of a liner. We'll see how it goes. And then brown mascara. I'm gonna use like this shimmery pink champagne color. Also, some really fun news. I have an award show that I'm going to on Sunday. Today's Wednesday. So I knew that I was nominated, and then I found out I was a finalist, and then my mom just told me last night that we were going, and I didn't even know. So now I don't have an outfit. Like, I have nothing to wear. I have no idea what I'm going to wear. Okay. When I went to the Streamies, I did the same thing. Like, I got my dress like a week before. It was like a few days before I flew out. I'm gonna do my liner after my mascara. So I'm gonna use the Benefit Roller Lash Brown Mascara. My number one question in the world, what mascara do I use? This is what I use. I prefer using the brown over black because it looks a lot softer and lighter and more natural. Also, if you have brown eyes that have a little bit of green in them, which are like mine, wearing brown mascara helps the green to show up a lot more. So I would highly suggest using brown mascara. It just makes my eyes look a lot more, it just makes my eyes look a lot more green when I wear the brown mascara. It's less harsh, and it just makes your eyes look a little bit brighter and softer. As you guys may know if you've seen my makeup videos ever, I used to wear winged eyeliner all the time. Now I don't like it. So I saw a tutorial on Instagram where this one girl did this thing, and I liked it, and she had similar eyes to me, so I want to try it out. She just used a brown pencil, like a medium brown, and she took a angled brush and just like lightly, softly, like not even harsh at all. I'm actually gonna take it from off my hand. I got mascara on my hand too. And then she just did like, it was like an ever so wisp of a wing, and it was to the point where it didn't even look like winged eyeliner. It literally just looked like she was elongating her eyelashes, and it was really pretty. So I want to try to kind of recreate that really lightly on my eye. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna do it on the other eye. That's cute, I like it. Yay, I'm glad I tried that. Last but definitely not least is lips. So I'm gonna use this was like my everyday product. I still really love this. This is Lancome shade 204 in these little lip satins. I'm not sure exactly what they're called, but I love them, but this is my favorite shade. And there we go. One more quick spray here. and we're done. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little chit chat spring get ready with me and this really pretty, I don't even know what to call this look. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out the links in the description. Make sure to shop Sephora Collection's new skincare line. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know if you liked it, so that way I can know to do more get ready with me videos. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post 2 videos a week, one on Tuesday and one on Friday. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.